Are you being annoyed by the iconpin64.dll error causing system instability? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic steps to fix your execution path. Before we begin our iconpin64 walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the iconpin64, a specialized icon pinning 64-bit module. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of pinning shortcuts to the taskbar and start menu, facilitating the data link between shell resources and the user's customized visual manifests. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. This is a Windows system integrity error involving a core library. I suggest using the system file checker by running sfc/scan now in an administrator command prompt to let the system automatically heal files like iconpin64.dll. If the installer was unable to bridge the gap, we will move to phase 2 of our diagnostic to refresh the system's memory. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including iconpin64, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. Now that the system has rebooted, if the issue persists, let's move on to our next level of troubleshooting. Feel free to pause the video if you need a moment. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of iconpin64.dll. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. If background issues persist, the recommended software below outlines maintenance concepts related to iconpin64. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved iconpin64 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.